Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're an airdrop farmer, then you already know the trend of SocialFi projects. A SocialFi Airdrop project gives free crypto tokens to users for engaging in decentralized social media platforms like posting or chatting to earn rewards. Mindo AI does the same job, as you may already be familiar with Kaito, which gives much higher rewards compared to direct airdrop projects. Recently, I've shared another similar project called Wallchain. If you follow our YouTube channel, then you already know that on their X profile they share lots of updates, so that's a good sign for a project. Before joining the project, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the project, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. After landing here, you will see the sign up option with X and wallet, but I'd recommend signing in using your X profile because you need to engage there to get rewards. So select the X option, then click connect X account, then authorize the app. Then it asks to connect your wallet, so you can add your wallet by clicking here. Right now I'll skip this. Now you will see this congratulations message and you will get the yearly badge. You can save this as an image. Also you can share this on your X profile. Now click on view dashboard and you'll finally land on this main page. Here you will see lots of options. If you scroll down, you'll see a few tasks you can complete. So click here on the leaderboard section and then scroll down. Here you will see the participants list, their rank and points. So click here on projects and you'll see all the projects listed there. Along with that, you'll see how many rewards they're sharing. For example, there's Avalanche giving 30,000, Rubik giving 30,000, Mindo itself is giving $100,000. So how do you participate in this rewards pool? For that, click here on earn. Then here in the instruction section, they share the details about how to participate. I'll explain the short way. First, you need to follow their X profile and stay updated. Then you need to create unique not AI generated content related to Mindo AI and the InfoFi narrative. Next, you need to share your content on your X profile to engage as much as possible. Also engage with Mindo AI's official content on X directly, like comment, etc. To be eligible for their campaign, you need to be in the top 100 miners. Then you will earn from the 30,000 rewards pool. So click here on my social cards. Here you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends and community to get some benefits. Also don't forget to complete these few social tasks such as following their X profile, sharing their post, etc. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.